Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we will learn how to use a responsive grid using pure flex. And as you can see on the screen, I've got this grid, and for the laptop screens, it has 4 cards in one row. When I reduce the size, the margin goes away, and after that, the cards they start to reduce in size. They reduce until they reach a minimum width, and after that, the card is sent to the next row, and we only have 3 cards in one row now. Again, when I try to reduce this width, because the cards are already at a minimum width, so they just move on the next line. And on the mobile screens, we've got 2 cards. So let's try creating this responsive grid using Flexbox. And as you can see, we've already got these cards here. So let's bring up our code editor. Let's bring it up here. All right, so to start with Flexbox, first we need a container. So as you can see here, this section, it wraps all our articles. So this can be given display value flex. So coming down here, let's say section and display flex. Let's save it. And as you can see, all the items are in one row, but the flex is overflowing. So for that, we can do flex wrap, and let's give it a value wrap. And as you can see, we've got this grid, but it's not in the center of the screen. So let's do that. So for that, we can simply use justify content and center. Now, as you can see, the entire grid is in the center of the screen. Right now, we have 3 cards in one row, but we want 4. So coming up to the block cart element. So right now, the width is 300 pixels. So let's say we want 4 items, so we could do 23% and 2% for the margins left and right. Let's save it. And now as you can see, we've got 4 cards in one row. So if I try to resize my browser, the cards are reducing. But they keep reducing, they don't stop at a minimum width because we haven't specified a minimum width. So let's give that as well. So minimum width, say 200 pixels. Let's save it. Let's try reducing the size of the browser. So as you can see, my cards are getting smaller. And once they reach this 200 pixels, the cards move to the next line. Also, if you notice here, so once you reduce, this extra spacing first goes away. So let's try creating that effect. Let's see why this is happening. So coming up here in the main section, we've given padding. So as you can see here, we've got padding left and right 12%. So let's remove that. Let's make it 0. And now as you can see, the cards are pretty big and we don't want that. We want our grid to have this spacing on left and right. So let's give it a max width, say 1200 pixels. Let's save it. And as you can see, we've got a lot of space on the right hand side. So if we could bring our grid to the center of the screen, that should do the trick. So to bring something to the center, we could simply use margin auto. So let's give it. So margin top bottom 0 and left right auto. Let's save it. And as you can see, we've got this similar spacing on left and right. And when I reduce it, my cards, they don't reduce in size, but this spacing goes away. And once I reach the minimum level, the cards start to reduce in size. And that's exactly what we wanted to design. That's all for today, guys. If there is something that you did not understand, feel free to drop a comment and we will discuss it. See you in the next video. Bye and take care.